Hello family, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said, this is the miracle of maths, where we make math to be a fun thing to do. So as I said last week, today we will be tackling on Roman numbers. And you might ask yourself, why did I pick on Roman numbers? I found a description over here that is quite interesting. It says, Roman numbers are a fun way to integrate maths into history lessons, reinforce other maths concepts, and develop children's maths stamina, resilience, and interest. So if you can tackle a Roman number equation or a question, I do not think there's any math equation that will be a problem to you, because Roman numbers, they are easy, but they do need a bit of thinking and brainstorming to get to meander through them. So if you can do that, then you're good to go. So before we start, I have written something over here that you should take note of, and if you get the concept of this, then you will be able to break down the Roman numbers from this. We have 1 is represented by the letter I, 5 is represented by the letter V, 10 is represented by the letter X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 is represented by the letter M. So we are going to do first from 1 to 10. 1 is an I. 2, which is obviously 1 plus 1, will be 2 i's, which is 1, 2. 3 will be 1, 2, 3. 4, this is where the tricky part starts. 3 is 1, 2, 3. And there are 4 rules in Roman numbers. And one of the rule is a letter, specifically, the same letter cannot be used more than 3 times in succession. So at number 3, we've already used the letter I 3 times in session. So for 4, there's no way to be I. When we get here, the number 4 is 5 minus 1. And why did I pick on 5? Because 5 is close to 4, and we already have a letter for 5, which is a V, and we already have a letter for 1. When we get here, it's going to be the number 5 is V, number 1 is I. When we get here, there is another rule that applies, and the rule is when a smaller letter precedes a bigger letter, the letters are subtracted, which you've already done. So the number 4 will be I, V. When we get to 5, that's a V, it's already here. When we get to 6, 6 is 5 plus 1, which is V plus I, which is V, I. So from there, I'm pretty sure you can know what 7, 8, 9 are. After the 7 will obviously be V with two I's. 8, V, 1, 2, 3. Yes, exactly. And then 9 is a 10 minus 1. We have a 10 as X minus our 1. And if the equation is X minus 1 minus I, sorry, this is supposed to be an I, the I precedes the X, as compared to when when the equation is a letter plus a letter, we start with the bigger letter and then the smaller one. But if it's a subtraction, the smaller one starts and then the big one. So 9 will be IX, and 10 is obviously X. So from this example and from this illustration,